This
bar.
conference will now be recorded.
SPRO in transaction bar. Click on SAP reference IMC icon. SAP reference IMC icon. SAP NetWeaver. General setting. Set countries. Insert regions. Execute. Click on position. Country IN. Country IN. Observe. These are the various regions. Note. All regions are predefined in SAP. All regions are predefined in SAP. Observe. For example, we are in Telangana. What's the Telangana number? 36. Right? So, yes, save and back. Save and back. So, till now we discuss country and region, the country properties, and region properties. Now, currency is there. What's the Indian currency? INR. Main heading. Currency. SAP NetWeaver. General setting. Currencies. In that, check currency codes. Check currency codes. Execute. And click on position. What's the currency? INR. Observe. At a table format first line. Currency INR. Long text Indian rupee. short text rupee, ISO, INR. ISO, INR. Table format first line. It's a predefined value. Better make it out of table right. Currency INR. Long text Indian rupee. Short text rupee. ISO, INR. What's the meaning of ISO? Indian Standard Organization. Save. Next. Set decimal places for currencies. Set decimal places for currencies. Execute. Observe, whenever I click on execute, it hit a pop-up window. Caution, the table is cross-client. Make it out this. Caution, the table is cross-client. Underline cross-client. Underline cross-client. Which applies more than one client number within the server. More than one client number within the server. Right? If you want to change any data along here, other client numbers to automatically changes. So that is cross-client. Click on continue icon. Click on yes icon or yes button. Click on position. What's the currency? INR. Mention currency INR. Observe. How many decimal they maintain? Three decimal. So generally we maintain 2 decimal. But in SAP stand, there is no 2 decimal. Check. 0 decimal, 1 decimal, 3 decimal, 4 decimal, 5 decimal. So in SAP, there is no 2 decimal. For that, here we maintain 3 decimal. What is 3 decimal? 100.000. Right? That is decimal. Mention. Table. Table was called. Currency INR. Long text Indian rupee. Decimal. 3 decimal. Decimal 3. Same. Right. So till now we activate country currency parameter. Now let me check user properties. Heading edit user. Edit user. What's the transaction code? User, US year. Transaction code, yes, U01. What's that? SU01. Enter your username. Click on change icon. So click on default tab. Here, log on language, EN. So in country level, we maintain decimal notation 1 comma 234 comma 567.89. Here also maintain same parameter. This one. And date format we maintain dd dot mm dot yy. Output device LP01. Sir, what is LP01? LP01 means local printer. In bracket mention local printer. LP01 means local printer. Select output immediately. Output immediately. So user India. User India. Save. Now, as of country parameters and user parameters, both are same. So these are the basic settings for creating enterprise structure. Pradama creates only basic settings for what? For creating enterprise structure or company structure. Now, heading key data structure. There was a problem starting with your recording. Please try again. What happened? I guess network issue. Anyway, let me check. Right. A small table. Make a note of this table. In real time, client provided data like this format. So what's the name? KDS, key data structure. What's that? Key data structure. Make a note of this. Right. So what are the nature of data client provide? For example, here define company. Define company nothing but parent company. So here mention this is parent company. And these are subsidiary companies. These two are subsidiary companies. These are company functions. And budget which we create each and every subsidiary company wise. These are the products. These are the products. Now, this is the nature of data client provide. Based on this, we learn how to create company, how to create subsidiary company one by one. First, path, PATH, path. SPRO in transaction bar. Click on SAP reference IMC icon. IMC icon. Enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. Define company. Define company. Execute. Click on new entries. Company TO00. It's a company TO00. Sir, where you get TO00? So already client provided. See here, TO00, Toyota Limited. I mentioned Toyota. Grammar separately. Right? Now, is it right or wrong? Toyota na Toyota no? In last characteristic TO or TA? What's the car name? Toyota or Toyota? Toyota. In India, they release the brand Toyota. Actual brand is Toyota. If you check in China, they mention Toyota. In India, they release the brand Toyota. Clear? Even we change Toyota. Right? Now, so company name Toyota Limited. I mentioned some state, high-tech city. Postal code 5 lakh 1. Remember, guys, in India we have only postal code. In US, PO box is different, postal code is different. If client provide both, mention both. But in US only they maintain PO box, PO code. But in India there is no PO box. Here we maintain postal city, Hyderabad, country, IN, language, English, currency, INR. Currency, INR. Make a note of this. Right? And click on save icon. Observe, in last session already we created one folder, Toyota folder. Now the data stores in that Toyota Limited folder. So data was saved. Data was saved. Next, now we learn how to create a subsidiary company. What's that? How to create a subsidiary company. In that, edit continuation. Second step, edit, copy, delete, check company codes. Execute. Double click on edit company code data line. Edit company code data line. Click on new entries. So already client provides subsidiary code. What's the code? TO01 Toyota Hyderabad. So TO01 Toyota Hyderabad. City Hyderabad. And country IN, Currency INR. Language EN. Language EN. And click on save icon. Click on save icon. Observe, whenever we click on save icon, system immediately open the application address page. In the address page, what are the properties we update? What's the title? Company. Name, Toyota Hyderabad. Remember, in address title, company. Name, Toyota Hyderabad. Remember, search term 1 always location. Search term 1 always location. Which location? Before I mentioned high tech city. City, Hyderabad. Country, IN. Region, 36. What is 36? Telangana. So before we created region, right? 36 for Telangana. So for what purpose we create? First, this is nothing but MOA. What's the meaning of MOA? Memorandum of Association. In general, we used to call company application address. And location wise report, city wise report, country wise report, region wise report. What are the 4 different reports we generate choosing this? Location wise, city wise, country wise, region wise. Clear? So 4 different type of reports which we generate choosing this component. Sir, what about the other properties? The other properties are optional properties. What's the meaning of optional? Either which we enter or not enter, system able to save the data. Able to save the data. Enter. Where the data stores? Toyota Limited. Sir, I have one more company, TO02, Toyota Bangalore. Right? Observe, TO02, Toyota Bangalore. How to create? So till now we create first subsidiary company. How to create a second subsidiary company? Click on next entry icon. Continuation. Click on next entry icon. Company code TO02. What's the name? Toyota Bangalore. City Bangalore. Country IN. Currency INR. Language EN. Language EN. What is EN? English. Same. Observe again application form for Bangalore company application. Like title company Toyota Bangalore. So I mentioned. So tell me one name Bangalore. Like Karapuram, city Bangalore, country IN. Can I say region 36? Then Bangalore comes under Karnataka region. Number 10, Karnataka. Now make a note of this. If your client provide that postal code, street, mention the parameter. But if we enter or not enter, system able to save the data. Able to save the data. Likewise, we used to create client specific subsidiary companies. Enter. Next. Maintain FM area. Maintain FM area. Execute. Click on new entries. So T002, Toyota Bangalore. Currency. So, sir, client have 10 subsidiaries. We will create all 10 subsidiaries. Clear? Here we create two subsidiaries. T001, T002. So I create two subsidiary companies. For what purpose we create? Yesterday we discussed the theory part. FM area, financial management area, which integrates finance and budgetary control, which we create individual company wise. Individual means each and every subsidiary company. How many subsidiaries we have? Two subsidiaries. T001, T002. Completed. Same. Where the data stores? Toyota Limited. Next. Next one. Define functional area. Observe. Client already provide functions. What are the functions? Manufacturing, administration, services, sales. What are the codes? 11, 12, 13, 14. Execute. Click on your entries. Same. Where the data stores? Toyota Limited. Next. What's the next one? Define segment. What all are segments? Toyota cars, Toyota space. What are the codes? TO21, TO22. Here, define segment. Execute. Click on new entries. What's the segment code? TO21. Toyota cars. And Toyota space. Toyota cars and Toyota space. Save. Sir, till now we configured some data. Every time system says the data stores in Toyota Limited folder. How to check that folder? How to check that folder? Condition. To view, client customized data. Transaction code. /n SE09. Repeat, /n SE09. Enter. and click on display icon. Observe. What's the folder? Toyota Limited. Click on plus symbol. As a consultant, we are customizing the task. What are the things we configure? Observe. Maintain FM area, functional area, edit, copy, delete, define company, define segment. Sir, I want to see my company functional areas. Right? Observe. Functional area plus symbol. Is it your codes? 11, 12, 13, 14. Observe. Right? So means in real time, whenever you try to save the data stores in this Toyota Limited. Waste project, what are the things which are configured and which are the pending, which are not the pending. Clear? Yes. So today I just share the sample KDS. In that KDS, I mentioned multiple companies for your practice, like Sony company, TVS company, Yamaha company, Mahindra Group, etc. So choose the same codes and practice. I'm expecting minimum 2 to 3 company practice. Like in the class which I discussed, Toyota, like you people create 2 to 3 company practice for every aspect. Right? Yes. Any questions, please? I guess it's 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. Yes. And one more, guys. Monday, the management will conduct the backup session. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will conduct whatever we discussed the last 3 classes, the same which I repeat. Once we match, then we go for the regular class sessions. Better, few people also will attend that. Already, as introduction, once you attend the one, if you attend one more time, if you have any bugs or queries, easy to resolve. Clear? So better, everyone will attend those sessions. And the same meeting ID. Meeting ID for online people, the same meeting ID never changes. And everyone received the drive access. Still, anyone have any queries? And here I update already that class number wise 1, 2, 3, 4. So today the class number is class number 5. And observe sample KDS, K data structure. Clear? Check online. I guess today no one joined online. Saturday fever. Yeah, Preeti. Yes, Preeti.
No,
Any
sir.
question? Right. And again, so don't forget for the next class, everyone take a copy printout of this material. Right? Yes. All right. Convert this recording and mail you. Thank you.